Okay, so in this table we have seen now, first is as per IS 383 sieve set. Okay, first column. Second column is weight retained. So after the shaking you are taking the weight, percentage weight return, cumulative percentage, the last one is passing. Okay, so to calculate fineness modulus, which one you are going to use? You are going to use this column, that is fourth column, that is cumulative percentage weight retained. You are adding all these things and dividing this number by 100, dividing this number by 100. So this will, you are getting what? Fineness modulus. Okay, here you can see fineness modulus is nothing but summation of cumulative percentage weight retained divided by 100. Cumulative percentage weight retained by 100. Standard value of this FM is 2 to 3.5. 2 to 3.5. 2 to 3.5. Okay, where it is used, this test very important, it is used in concrete mix design. Okay, you will understand in the later semesters concrete mix design. So different portion of the cement, sand, aggregate, how much you should mix, so there you are going to use this fineness modulus. Okay, based upon the grading zone of fine aggregate, based upon the grading zone of fine aggregate, the ratio of fine aggregate to coarse aggregate in concrete is suitably adjusted to obtain the desired concrete strength and workability. What is the meaning of this sentence? So if you are designing a concrete at site, let us say it is a M40 grade, M40, M30, whatever may be the grade. So for that, how much is the coarse aggregate portion? How much shall be the sand? Okay, so given coarse aggregate volume, given sand aggregate volume, what is their proportion? So this is called as CA, this is called as FA. So ratio of fine aggregate to coarse aggregate means what? FA is to CA, FA is to CA, or FA divided by CA. So what is this? How much it should be for a mixed design? Okay, for mixed design. So there you are going to use what? FM. FM is not fluid mechanics. It is, in this case, it is fineness modulus. Okay, don't get confused. FM means, okay. Here fineness modulus is used in concrete mixed design as well as fine aggregate to coarse aggregate ratio, which is used in concrete strength concrete strength application. How much strength you require, what shall be the workability. So in all those things, FA to CA is used. For this FA to CA, and you are using fineness modulus. You simply understand it is used in concrete mix design. Okay, and you should understand that for desired concrete strength, for see here, mixed design is nothing but final concrete strength arriving only. Okay, for M30 mixed design is different, for M40 mixed design is different. So in that way you understand fineness modulus is used in concrete mixed design to find out the desired properties, okay, of strength and workability. Understand that way. Okay, here one small table is given, one small table is there. All these are sand only. Sand means fine aggregate only. Okay, all particle size is less than 4.75 only. Okay, so fineness modulus values are given here. Fineness modulus values are given. If it is 2.2 to 2.6 fineness modulus, then we call it as fine sand. If it is 2.6 to 2.9, medium sand. If it is 2.9 to 3.2, coarse sand. What do you mean by this? In here, more fine material is present. Here, more coarser material is present. Here, almost same. Both are same. More fine material, less fine material. Okay, or you can say coarser material is more here. Coarser material is more here. Okay, if it is more than 3.2, what? Fineness modulus is more than 2.2, then sand is not suitable for concrete production. Sand is not suitable for concrete production. Simple. Okay. Here there is a one more table. In simple way I can explain you that. Don't get confused. Okay. Here on the side they have given qualitative value. Very coarse sand, fine sand, very fine sand. Okay, that you should understand. Very fine sand, coarse sand, very coarse sand. And in front of that they have written zones: zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5. What do you mean by that one? Zone 1 means in the mixed design, if they tell take the zone 1 sand for the mixed design of concrete, that means what? The sand you are taking, no, it is very coarse. If you are taking the zone 4 sand, then the sand is very fine. Okay, now these 2 points are clear. Okay, next. Here on the top they have written sieve size, sieve size, sieve size. Okay, so what is that? IS sieve size. See here, biggest particle is here, the smallest sieves are at the later stage. Smallest size are the later stage. I will tell you what are these. These are nothing but percentage of aggregate passing through this sieve. Passing through this sieve. This is the percentage of sand passing through this sieve in a given sample. What do you mean by that one? More sand is passing through this sieve, a lesser size is passing through this sieve. That is the meaning. Simple. 60 to 90% is passing here, but in the same sand this much only is passing through this sieve. Okay, that means in coarser sand this side is more, this volume is more, and this side volume is less. This side volume is less. I hope it is clear. In this coarser sand or zone 1 sand, the coarser particle fraction is more. That is why 100%, 90 to 100, 60 to 90. Finer particles, no, this 600, 300, 150 micron means finer particle, no, their fraction is what? Less. Their fraction is less. So coarser sand, the bigger particle size is more or fraction is more. That is why 100%, 90%, 90%. Here smaller particle size, that is 600 micron, 300 micron, 150 micron, their percentage particles, their percentage is less. For this zone, if you take this one, here simply directly you can compare now. This one directly you can compare. See this value, this value you compare. In the very fine sand, that is zone 4 sand, this fraction is more. Correct na? This fraction is more. What is that? 600 micron. In the overall, if you see, this is also there. This is also there. This is not 0 or less than 100%, 80%. These two are same only. But only finer fraction comparison. If you do finer fraction comparison, that means 600 micron particles, here the percentage passing or percentage is less, but the same particles are more. In which zone? Zone 4 sand. Zone 4 sand. What do you mean by that one? If you go like this, in this direction, the smaller particle size, that is 600 micron particle size, their quantity is increasing. Do you agree with this values? Here you agree with this value? If you take 600 micron, that is the smaller particle compared to all these things, here 15%, 35%, 60, 80 means what? As the zoning is increasing, the finer fraction is also increasing. This is the importance of this table. If you take this size, percentage fraction, check 30%, 55%, 70%, 90%. I am telling only 90. It is generally 90 to 100, 75 to 100. That is how they have written. Don't get confused. If you take any one value also, no problem. So here percentage fraction of this sized sand particle is increasing as you go from zone 1 to zone 4. Means what? percentage finer material is less, that means coarse sand. Finer percentage of material is more, that means fine sand. Fine sand, simple, no? Less fine sand, more fine sand. Less fine sand, other name is coarse. More fine sand, other name is fine sand. Sorry. Less finer material, so the name given is coarse. More fine material, that means name given is fine. Name given is fine. Okay, simple way you understand. As the zone number increases, finer material percentage is also increasing. Compare these two values. Okay, don't compare this column to this column. Okay, you should compare the rows here. You should compare the rows. Why? So zones are written in row wise. Okay, what is written here? Okay, nothing. No, this one. Zoning, depending upon the percentage of various sizes, 5 zones I have made. Okay, I have explained this. 1 micron is 1 divided by 1000. 1 divided by 1000.